Hello, everyone. I wanted to give a quick update on the Richard Conkin case. You may or may not remember in episode 107, we did a whole segment on a gentleman, 73-year-old man who he hired a house cleaner off of Nextdoor, was totally inappropriate with her, tried to force her to have all kinds of things with him. And then he realized, I guess, I'm making an assumption here, he realized that he overstepped and then tried to offer her $20 bribe money. And it's actually going to court. He was released on a $250,000 bond. And as of right now, the case in Commonwealth versus Richard Lee Conkin is still active because I checked. And it has not been dismissed. And it has not quietly gone away. A jury trial is scheduled for October 19th, 2026 at 11 a.m. in the Jefferson Circuit Court, if you guys want to check. So this is still moving through the legal system, and it's going all the way to trial as of now. I don't know if they'll make a plea deal right before they go to trial. I know there's lots of back and forth and those types of things. And the reason why I'm bringing this up and giving you an update is because safety protocols matter. I actually did an interview on another podcast, and we talked a lot about safety on that episode. Because when you're walking into people's homes, you're often alone. I had a cleaning tech who was in a home. She had her headphones on. The homeowner called out, and she didn't hear or see him, and like almost gave him the Kung Fu Panda move, right? And so you got to have safety protocols. So I talked a lot about safety protocols in that episode, but because this case is still playing out, your safety can't wait for the outcomes. And I hope they throw the book at him. It was totally inappropriate and uncalled for what he did. So you need check-ins, location sharing, client screening, and confidence to say no when something feels off. Always, I cannot emphasize this enough. Always, always, always go with your gut. I'm not a really big crime advocate. Like, there's a lot of crime podcasts. And the reason for that is because I have a very vivid imagination. So I can't really handle a lot of detail because my mind just doesn't turn off when it's those things. But a lot of things I remember because I'm all about the patterns, right? Is there were warning signs to the victims and the victims ignored the warning signs. That was the whole point of me telling you that. Because no job is worth putting yourself in a situation you can't get out of. When I was the assistant general manager for TGI Fridays, someone skipped out on their check and they ran out after the patrons in the parking lot, and one of them had a gun and put a gun to her head, all for a mere $300 check. Nobody's life is worth a $300 check. So don't put yourself in situations. Always listen to your gut. And make sure safety first. I got it all covered. If you want to build a cleaning system, the move-out cleaning system has been updated. I don't know if you guys have had a chance to actually go and look at it off my website. That's Clean Freaks University with a K. And I used to call it the move-out cleaning masterclass. It's actually been changed over to a move-out cleaning system. It's been totally updated. We're doing the final touches on something new for that actual course. So it's move-out cleaning season. I have 20,000 move-out cleanings under my belt with a 99.99999% success rate. So I figured some things out along the way. I would like to believe. So that would be something I would check out if you're getting frustrated and you're having a hard time with your move out cleanings. I would definitely check out the move out cleaning system on Clean Freaks University. And I just wanted to give you a short update on Richard Conkin, and I hope that you guys have a fabulous day. Take care.